Well, hi guys, welcome back to the Kneady Homesteader channel, and you guys have been asking me, how do you use the Blueberry Apple BBQ Sauce? So I figured I would show you. So here's a jar of it. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna put it on some chicken, which is my favorite way to use it. Really good on with the skin on, bone in. That's how I like my chicken breast. Really good on chicken wings, chicken legs, chicken thighs, pork loin, barbecue ribs. I mean, you know, it's endless. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna get some in a dish, and we're gonna start basting this. Now this is not like my Sweet Baby Ray's, well, almost like Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This isn't going to be a barbecue sauce that you're going to dip your chicken tenders in. This isn't something that you're going to like put on your chicken sandwich. This is, it's a vinegar base, so it's a lot like the southern style type barbecue sauces. So some of you asked me if it would thicken up. It thickens up a little bit, but it's not that kind of sauce. If you're looking for a thick barbecue sauce, I will make the almost Sweet Baby Ray's, and we'll can it together and you'll have some of that. This is going to be much thinner, so this is going to be basted. Baste, 10 minutes, let it cook, baste, 10 minutes, let it cook, baste some more, okay? So let me open that up and we'll get some on the chicken. And pour some in this here. Okay. And then you're gonna bake. You see how it's thin? Now I like to season my chicken skin. I like salt on it because it makes it crispy. I like paprika. Can't have chicken without paprika. I like to put a little bit in a dish so I don't waste any. It's always better to be able to pour a little bit more. Okay. Over to this little guy here. Now this is a smoker grill. I actually bought this for my dad for Father's Day when he was living with me, and then I fell in love with it. And he made me keep it here. So he uses it when he comes to visit, but I love this thing. If you don't have a smoker, oh, get yourself a smoker. It uses the pellets, which I get at Tractor Supply. So, alright, let's pour some more. I'm going to get this all basted, and I'm going to come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so there we have it. Now, I'm going to let this slow cook for another 5-10 minutes, then I'm going to baste it one more time, and then we should be good. Look at that. Okay, and here's the finished product. So this is, I'm going to try to get it under the lights for you guys. This is what the Blueberry Apple BBQ Sauce looks like, and it tastes phenomenal. So if you like, or if you've never even tried a vinegar based barbecue sauce, you should try it. You should try it. I think you will like it. All right, if you do make it and you're a content creator, you know, tag me so I can come watch your video. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.